Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your brand with Wix. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your brand with Wix, begin by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. Locate the settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. In the settings menu, find the site address section. Here, you can choose to connect a custom domain to enhance your brand's identity. If you don't have a domain yet, select the option to purchase one through Wix. Follow the prompts to choose and register your desired domain name. Next, go back to the settings menu and click on SEO, Google. In the SEO section, you can edit your site's title and meta description. Make sure to include relevant keywords that reflect your brand. Now, go to the branding section under settings. Here, you can upload your logo and customize your site's color scheme. Choose colors that align with your brand's visual identity. After customizing your branding, it's time to set up social media links. Go to the social links section in the settings menu. Add links to your social media profiles to connect with your audience. Next, return to the dashboard and click on Site Actions. Choose Show Wix. This will make your site look more professional and secure your brand presence. Lastly, review your site for consistency in design and messaging. Once satisfied, publish your changes to make your site live. Regularly update your content and branding as your business evolves. This will ensure your website remains a true reflection of your brand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.